Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. So today we are in South Atlantic Ocean, and I have shown you before about the barbecue party and all on my previous ship, but today it's something special because we are making suckling pig, that's what they call it. And this is first time for me, I'm seeing this thing. So let's talk to them how this thing is made and what's the tradition, and we'll know more about it. So this is basically kind of a behind the scene video of a barbecue. Let's enjoy. Adil is going to help us to reveal the suckling pig. Adil, how are you, man?
Hi, thank you.
He said bye. How are you, man?
Yeah, I'm good.
Here is what we call the suckling pig, right?
Yes.
So tell me something about suckling pig.
Suckling pigs, culture of the Philippines and also for Christian. And it's delicious delicacy and you love it if it is finished.
When are you making this?
Huh?
Is it like a time of the year or some special occasion?
Yes, it's only a special occasion and it takes long time to cook because we need it to cook perfectly so that it will delicious.
Oh, okay. So normally how long it will take to cook?
It takes 5 hours or 6 hours to make it cook perfectly.
So Adil is preparing our suckling pig and right now. Hold the mic. And tell me something about your memory of suckling pig. Yeah?
Normally we roast pig if we have a special occasion in the Philippines, no? It means there's a celebration happening. One of the meal or special dish is we call lechon.
Lechon.
This I believe this came from the Spaniards.
It's just saying that this has come from Spaniards. That's a new info for me.
And,
Thanks, James. That was very nice talking to you.
There must be delicious.
Yeah. So this is like a new thing for us Indians. So let me ask Mandan and our dear friend here, what do you guys think about this thing?
It is my first time on this. I just completed about 1 month, so it is first barbecue party, and I'm gonna have first time experience of this suckling pin. So much excited, but unfortunately I don't eat it. So yeah, but I'm excited still. Hopefully they will make something for us also, like chicken flakes. So we'll have some lollipops and all. So from here, Uttam will talk something.
How do you feel Mas Rubicon right now?
Mas Rubicon. Mas Rubicon is very good, very good. Now today's party, special party is the suckling pin. I never see before the 10 years is the Mas line. The first time I saw the suckling pin. It's a new thing, this one, and I don't know inside what is this, but these guys stick to inside the leaves and something the vegetables. And today I'm enjoying the suckling pins. Okay, see you. Bye.
Thanks, man. Thanks. When are you going?
Yes, later soon.
So this is like your sign-up party, huh?
Let's call that sign-up part.
Sign-up party of Nil. Nil is sponsoring the today's suckling pig, huh?
No, we're poor, man. We're poor. So this is suckling pig. In our language, we call it lechon.
Lechon.
Yeah. See, you just turn the camera.
Lechon.
This is lechon. I mean, it's making lechon. Yeah. And
So basically he's the driver now. Huh?
yeah. He can turn 360 degrees,
360 degrees.
back and forth.
Yeah. This is like a special kind of
Yeah.
equipment we have designed.
We can also use
We made it recently. So
yes.
they're making it.
Yeah.
I hope my camera doesn't work.
Hello guys, this is suckling pin. See the fire, the charcoal. Now it's fire around the 5 hours. The suckling pin is burning. Okay, at least 5 hours take the time. This make the suckling pin. Not less than 5 hours. More than 5 hours suckling pin, and a nice taste. Everybody can check the nice. Check, yes, stitching here. Okay, suckling pin stitching with the wires. Dr. Adil. Yeah, Adil. Dr. Adil, he make some stitches.
Thank you very much for mentioning my name.
The specialist doctor, the Adil, stitching the wire stitch.
Adal should speak something. Adal is so we have maybe Adal running away. I don't know why. So basically we have this charcoal. So you have this special stand made. So they keep on rotating. You get that evenly cooked all around. See, we have a lot of stuff inside, stuffed inside this pig. Actually, a lot of vegetables, onions, and things like that being stuffed inside, and you can see the wire being bound onto that. So they say it takes around 5 hours to cook it. Really good. So you get that authentic taste of what they are looking for. This kind of a tradition they follow in Philippines. So that's the preparation of suckling pig. So maybe later we will have the real party after you get this fully cooked. So meet our chief cook and he's gonna explain us how he made the suckling pig. So what you put inside, how you made.
Only vegetable inside, like onion, ginger, and some carrots, celery, and herbs, some herbs.
Any herbs, yeah? So what all herbs did you use?
Herbs like bay leaf, peppercorn.
How much filling it needs for this kind of a pig?
Depends on your flavor.
And you don't pre-cook this one, right? Just stuff it and cook like this.
Yeah. Local dish like this. It's a local dish, Philippines. Famous.
So thank you, Chief. That was very nice of you. Thanks for your information.
Okay.
This is boxer Richard Mahose. Oh yeah, brother of Manny Pacquiao.
The meet our second cook.
और क्या बोलूँ, तो खाना रेडी किया और मतलब बहुत अच्छे से सब लोग हेल्प किया। और ये थर्ड इंजीनियर है, बहुत अच्छा आदमी है और बहुत अच्छा है। चलो गुड बाय।
सब ठीक चल रहा है?
हाँ सब ठीक चल रहा है।
Thank you, man.
Oh, it's okay. It's fun here, huh? Yeah, good.
Hi, Firoz bhai, क्या हाल है? How is life?
Good. We're having fun here.
So you're gonna have. Are you gonna try this?
No, that is a very dangerous for us.
We're gonna try something else here. Huh?
Yes, of course. We will try some Indian recipe and we will enjoy. The weather also is very nice. Everyone is now having food and enjoying the party. So I hope all going good.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So that was. Our suckling pig is ready. Now we're gonna fire the barbecue. किधर बाहर है? इधर आ जाओ. So that was our experience about suckling pig. As I said, this is the first time we all are having this kind of an experience. I hope you guys also had a good experience watching, and I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, please do give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it already. And as always, see you guys on the next one. Peace.